What's up, babes and baby dolls, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're back with another wig, and this unit is from LuvMehair. This is their 20-inch glueless layer cut wig. Absolutely gorgeous. And in today's video, I will be showing you all how I install my glueless unit. So if you would like to see how that is done, then continue watching and stay tuned for my review. So before I get into the actual install, I want to take the time to show you all the construction on the inside of this unit. Again, this is a glueless unit. It comes with an elastic band, the combs on the side, and again it is a 5x5 lace closure. And the unit comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and already layered. I love these wig caps that LuvMe sent me. Super blendable with my skin complexion. So just to make this side a little bit more even with this side, see this one is just a tad bit longer right here. It doesn't really have as many layers as this side. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look of this glueless install of this 20-inch layered cut wig from LuvMehair. This was super time saving because I am in a rush to go somewhere. It is very convenient and easy to install. As you can see, I installed it straight out of the box because it came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and already style. I just had to straighten it just a little bit just to give it that super sleek look. A 10 out of 10. If you are a beginner when it comes to wig, as you can see, it didn't take much to cut the lace off. It didn't take much to install it. This was everything. Like, just, you can take it off when you're ready. I did not glue anything down. It feels really, really lightweight on my head, and it is comfortable to wear. Like, I don't feel any pressure on my ears from the band, none of that. It just feels like it's just really, really lightweight. Super, super flowy. And the layers in this unit are super gorgeous, guys. Like, I love this. This is the perfect wig for anybody who is a beginner. Get you a glueless unit because it is super easy and convenient. Like, I just got ready in probably like 20 minutes just off from this install. Yeah, I will leave the link in the description box for you all if you want to check out this unit. It's very affordable, reasonable price for this quality unit, you guys. Go get it. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video, babes and baby dolls. I can't keep my hands out of it because it's just as soft and fluid. Like, let me stop.